Hey everybody, we've been working on theme for a while, and we're going to continue working on theme this week. So when I looked at the work you did last week on theme, you had to read some short little stories and figure out what the theme of the story is, what it was about, the plot, and then what the theme of the story is. So I can identify the theme in a story. I need you to remember that theme is not about what happened. It's something that you can use in your own life. I can take back the lesson I learned from reading this text and take it into my real life. So I wanted to show you how to do that on the same things that you were supposed to do or that you did do last week. And then you'll have another one later. Okay, so here are the 4 that you read. And I'm going to walk you through the process of figuring out what is the theme. What does the author want me to learn? Sarah's room was a mess. She had books and papers all over her desk, and toys were scattered across the floor of her room. She had clothes stuffed under her bed, and her dresser drawers were so crammed with things that she almost couldn't open them. Now her assignment was due and it was missing. She looked everywhere in her backpack and in her room, and it was nowhere to be found. So we know we have to do some inferring. I can infer that Sarah's kind of messy. She can't find her assignment and she's got papers everywhere. Her desk is crammed. I'm looking at what the author told me. So that's what the story is about. It's about a girl named Sarah that has a messy room and she can't find her assignment that's due. That's the plot, but that is not the theme. The theme is, what could I learn from reading this little piece? So what I feel like what I learned is that if you're messy, it's easier to lose things. So that's what I could say, being organized and keeping your things organized, your room clean, helps you find what you're looking for. Those are examples of themes. It's not what the story is about. I can use that in my own life. All right, let's try this. Let's try this one over here with James. This one here. James was a person everyone seemed to love. He went out of his way to help anyone that helped him, that needed help. If someone dropped their books, he was there to help pick them up. If a new kid came to school, he made sure to include them at recess. Then one day, James was playing soccer and broke his leg. He came to school with crutches, but it was hard to carry his backpack and band instrument everywhere. The funny thing was that no matter where he went, everyone wanted to give James help. So the plot is James. I'm inferring that James is very helpful. It says he helped everybody, new kids. Then he got hurt and everybody wanted to help him. That's what the story was about. So I learned that being kind to other people can benefit you because people will be kind back to you. So I learned that it's important to be kind to people. I already knew that, but I think that's what the theme is, telling you to be kind so other people will be kind to you. It's kind of like the golden rule, treat others like you want to be treated. That is the theme of the story. It's not what it's about. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Molly. Molly got a brand new puppy from the pound. She named him Max. Molly's parents told her that she could have a dog if she took care of it. So Molly fed Max and gave him water each day. She played with him and brushed him too. The only thing she forgot to do was to close the back fence. When he went outside one day, that's the day that Max got lost, and it was the hardest day Molly had ever experienced. So the story is about a girl named Molly getting a dog. She's being very responsible, taking care of her dog. But then she made a mistake and didn't close the door, and the dog got away. So I think a lesson we can learn from this, I'm thinking that no matter how responsible I am, people always make mistakes. Nobody's perfect, no matter how good they are at doing something. People always make mistakes. That's what I've learned from that. And I hope she finds her dog. All right, I'm not going to do the next one with Trevor. These are ones you've already completed. So today I'm going to put some other ones in here, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to try to figure out what the theme is. All right. Good luck. I know you can do it.